This little tractor is quite unique. It was built by Massey Harris to compete with the Farmall Cub and the Allis-Chalmers C. This one is built in Canada, like I said, and it's unique because it has a hydraulic system on it, which the others didn't have. So it was one step ahead. It's not much of a hydraulic system, but it does raise the mower.
You're on.
If you have any old equipment for trees or for farming, just let us know. We'll be interested in buying it. We use it on our farm here to grow trees and shrubs at Highland Hill Farm. If you'd like to support us, you can give us a call and ask what we have available. Our number is 215-651-8329.
Give us a call at Highland Hill Farm for your trees and shrubs. 215-651-8329. We ship from Fountainville, PA, Milan, PA, Lenoir, North Carolina, and McMinnville, Tennessee. Thank you.